Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello everyone, welcome today in the newspaper of Saturday, August the 5th, 2023 here. August the 5th. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku. I will solve this in a minute. And this one is a Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. I will solve this tomorrow evening. Alright, and we have in this newspaper a puzzle page. With 6 extra puzzles. I will do those puzzles in the evening. We have here tectonic, not all, 4 of them I will solve. We have here the tectonic, 2 binaries, 10 by 10, 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, here also 3 stars, and a killer Sudoku. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, and tomorrow, let me show you, we have an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all tomorrow. Half of them I will solve. But first, yeah, the Medium Sudoku. This will be number, let me position the camera, number 6, 8, 6, and 9. 6, 8, 6, and 9. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the one in the one in this row, one in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the one should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. Let me position this correctly. Having troubles with the positioning. Alright. This is in the center. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in a row above, so that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 9 in this row, first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the row above, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. All right. And now. Let me see. All right. How about the 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. 174. Yes. You have the 1 here. I need a 1 there. Need a 6 here. We have the 9 here. 9. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. There are 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. All right. Then 4. Okay. 4. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. Okay. Think. 6, 6. 6, 6. Well. 7, 8, 9, 8, 8. 8. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. And look, we have a 1 and 6 in this third column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in the second row for number 7. 1 box left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8. Come on. 8. 1, 7, 4. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. 6, 7, 4, 4, 4, 6, 7, 4. I need a 6. I need a 6 here. 6, 6. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. 3, 7 and a 4. Nope. 3, 7 and a. Think. 3, 7 and a 5. We need no. 3, 7 and a. 3, 7 and a 6. Yeah, 6, 6. Well. How about the 3 then? 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 in the 7th, 3 in the 7th. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Okay. Then 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. Then the 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 1. All right. Okay. Well. And now. How about the number? Come on. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row below, between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. Alright, so 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, the 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row. Oh wait, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in this first column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. We have 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Well. Told you, need 15 to 20 minutes. But we solve it again. And I like this one, yes I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.